Sue Beauty here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the April 2018 Sephora Play. If you don't know what Sephora Play is, it is a $10 monthly subscription. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stick around to see what I got in my Sephora Play. Each month they do have a theme, and this month's theme is Insta Beauty. How they include a little chart. It lets you know what you're getting and how to use it, a little description on it and everything. Extra beauty insider points. You can go into any Sephora and you present this card and you get 50 extra points. If you're not familiar with the Beauty Insider Pro, all you have to do is just go to Sephora, let them know you'd like to sign up. They give you a little card, and each time you buy something, every dollar counts as 1 point, and then you can exchange your points for products. Comes in a cute little drawstring bag, says make it snappy. Let's see. And the first thing that I see is a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Open it up. Just comes in a little tube. It's the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. Philosophy Purity, finding balance and embracing our true self. Ultra lightweight moisturizer with vitamins. Ooh, I'm gonna check it out. Let's see what else we got. Looks like I got the color SPL. Let's take it out. See a lot of pink glitter sparkles in it. Dr. Dennis Gross Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep. Let's open it up. Ooh, comes with a few. So you get 2. One of the things I like about Sephora Play is you get 5 travel size makeup products along with the little perfumes. I will be passing this fragrance along to my mother, who loves this line by Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen. Go ahead and see what else we got. The last thing. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. So I cannot wait to try this and see if it works, because I am starting to get a little crazy line right here. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my Sephora Play April 2018. Let me know in the comments down below what you got. I love you a lot. Bye.